Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open EARFUN audio application. Of course, your earbuds should be connected with the app. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down. At the bottom we have a line version. Tap at this line, it check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, just update, and you can do this in this window. Next step is to place your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update, and after that time, just open it and check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid. Inside the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on your earbuds start blinking purple. Press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue. It's okay, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, keep holding this button. Here we go. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to click refresh or do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And we just reconnect them, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!